I have a 2002 Ford Ranger here in the shop, and it has a 3.0 liter motor in it. And we bought a fuel pump for this thing as a replacement, and ended up picking up the wrong one. There's a few options to this, and I'll show you what to look out for and which pump was actually in this truck that we had to find. So the replacement fuel pump that we bought was this one right here, and the connector is a little bit different. It has a 4-pin connector on it, and this one's readily available. This one's pretty easy to find, but it's not the fuel pump that was in this truck. The fuel pump that I was supposed to pick up was this one right here. This is just like the one that was in it from the factory. This one has 5 pins. There are 3 that are blanked out on it, and it has this box kind of electrical taped onto the wire. And so this one is a pain to find. At the time of the video, Ford didn't have one in the country. There was none that you could get through Ford. Went through O'Reilly's. O'Reilly's didn't have one either. Found this one on Amazon for like $53, which I'm not happy about. I don't know how long it's going to last, but I was kind of up a creek with it, and couldn't find one otherwise. This one has, let's see, 4 wires going to the top of it, and this is what the top of it looks like for the connections. So hope this kind of gives you guys a heads up, and just what to look for, what to be aware of when you're ordering a pump for this truck. Take it easy, guys. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I'll reply back to you.